Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click on settings, then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go down here. So then you click here on focus, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on focus, that is, you just click on it here. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to share focus, that is in up. So then you just click on this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean share focus, that is disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I give it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.